हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज आनंद मुंशी, मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर एंड सक्सेस कोच। साथियों, आज आपके लिए बहुत ही स्पेशल वीडियो लाया हूं और अगर आप स्टूडेंट है, आप आपके फाइनल ईयर के अंदर है, आपको जॉब की तलाश है, तो ये वीडियो आपको देखना चाहिए। इमेजिन द डे वन दैट यू जॉइन दिस कॉलेज। आपको लग रहा था कि आई विल कम आउट विथ माई ड्रीम जॉब फ्रॉम दिस कैंपस, लेकिन आज वो सपना हमारे से कोसों दूर है। हमारे पास में जॉब तो क्या, वी डोंट हैव द विजिबिलिटी कि अगले क्षण क्या होने वाला है। एज ऑफ नाउ वर्ल्ड की 80% पॉपुलेशन लॉकडाउन में है या आइसोलेशन में है। क्या आप इमेजिन कर सकते हैं? कैन यू इमेजिन समथिंग लाइक दिस, दैट 80% ऑफ द वर्ल्ड्स पॉपुलेशन इज लॉकडाउन। वो घर से बाहर नहीं निकल सकते, कुछ काम नहीं कर सकते, कहीं जा नहीं सकते, बिजनेसमैन बिजनेस नहीं कर सकते, जॉब वाले जॉब पर नहीं जा रहे हैं। एंड इफ यू आर वर्किंग डेली, you don't have the way to earn the money। और उसके अंदर सबसे वर्स्ट जिसको इम्पैक्ट हुआ है वो जॉब्स के लिए हुआ है। स्पेशली इफ यू आर ए स्टूडेंट हु आर लुकिंग टू जॉइन एज अ फ्रेशर इन either in industry, whether it is IT, finance, manufacturing, automobile, anywhere, सबसे ज्यादा इस पे इम्पैक्ट होगा क्योंकि इसी समय नए स्टूडेंट्स, नए प्रोफेशनल्स को लिया जाता है। एंड द क्वेश्चन दैट दे ऑल विल फेस इज, वी डोंट नीड न्यू पीपल राइट नाउ। सोचो साथियों, कितनी दर्दनाक बात है। आपने हर कंपटीशन को बीट करा है। यू हैव फॉट विद थाउजेंड ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स टू सिक्योर योर सीट इन इंजीनियरिंग और मेडिकल और मैनेजमेंट, और आज आपके पास में जॉब नहीं है। एंड द वर्स्ट पार्ट इज 40% ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स, अकॉर्डिंग टू वन सर्वे, दे टेक सम सॉर्ट ऑफ लोन्स टू कंप्लीट देयर एजुकेशन। अब उनको वो विजिबिलिटी भी चली जाएगी। इट इज योर राइट टू हैव अ गुड जॉब, इट इज योर राइट, बट द सिचुएशन आर टफ। और आज मैं आपसे कोई भी झूठ नहीं बोलूंगा, जो भी सच्चाई आपको सब कुछ बताऊंगा। आज जो आप वर्ल्ड अपने चारों तरफ देख रहे हैं, आज से 3 महीने पहले ये एंटायरली डिफरेंट था। टुडे द वर्ल्ड हैज चेंज्ड फॉरएवर। एक्चुअली देयर इज नो वन इन द होल वर्ल्ड हु कैन से दैट हिज और हर जॉब इज गारंटीड, दैट ही हैज गॉट अ सिक्योर्ड जॉब। ऐसा कोई भी नहीं है। इट इज अ चैलेंजिंग टाइम। आप अगर गवर्नमेंट में हो, आप बिजनेस में हो, आप इंडस्ट्री में हो, आपके पास में इस समय 2 बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है। द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज वेयर टू स्टार्ट एंड द सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज हाउ टू स्टार्ट। यस्टरडे अमेरिका हैज फेस्ड their black day in the history. Yesterday, 2,000 people all over America died because of coronavirus. Out of that, 730 was only in New York. Can you imagine the world's most progressed country where technology flows like anything and the quality of medical facility is far beyond anything? They are struggling to keep their people alive. What to think of the developing and developed nations? I have one more fact. In last 3 months, the world's stock market has crashed over 30%. अगर मार्केट 2% से भी क्रैश करता है, जिसको पैनिक बोलते हैं, 5% क्रैश होता है उसको सुपर पैनिक बोलते हैं, लेकिन अगर 10% से नीचे गिर जाए उसको टेक्निकली रिसेशन बोलते हैं। लेकिन here 30% of the stock has lost its value and beyond 30%, that is something very very big. Are we ready for it? Especially students के लिए बहुत ही bad news है। मैं आज आपको डरा नहीं रहा हूँ। I just want to tell you some facts so that you are better prepared, and I will give 3 important techniques how to come out of this. The GDP all over the world has dropped by 25% for this quarter. See, the degree of devastation that we are seeing around us is much more severe and much more far-reaching than it was for the Second World War. Once the war was over, things started getting normal soon for most of the countries. But here, once the coronavirus finishes, it will take economy a good long time to come back to the feet because we are dealing with the demons. And one thing is for sure, this threat is there, the threat is real, and the threat is filled with uncertainties. See, now understand how you can get a job. This is very fundamental question. Nothing is lost here. There are 4 important parameters that are responsible that you will get a job. Number 1 and the most important and fundamental is the government of that country. Government is responsible for giving a platform of fundamental benefits where other things, other economy, other industry can give safe and secure job to the people. But during this situation, government is worried about only one thing, giving the basic necessities. और गवर्नमेंट के दिमाग में इस समय नए स्टूडेंट्स को जॉब देना is nowhere in the priority list. वो सिर्फ 3 चीजें देने में लगी है, रोटी, कपड़ा और मकान, और वो भी गरीब लोगों को जो डे इन डे आउट पर जिंदा रहते हैं। उस समय गवर्नमेंट is not doing anything to give you your dream job. So now it is 100% your responsibility how you will arrange it. That's number 1. The second thing that government will do is to protect themselves from the external threats, protect the employment of the people who are already working, and government will try to protect their own economy. They will minimize, actually they will make it virtually zero, the imports of any foreign goods, because that will put a lot of stress on the economy. We are no way going to increase the trade deficit. That will hurt us badly. So there is no question that new jobs are being created in the foreign countries, and hence there is no question that you will be going to foreign countries to get a job. So the scope of government is going to be of not much help, and it will be coming to you in a very challenging way. The second parameter that is responsible for you to get a job is the economy. Economy is dropped significantly. GDP growth for India was estimated around 5.5 to 6% just 3 months ago, and now if we reach 2.5%, we are very very lucky. India technically, and that's a good news, is not in recession. अभी इंडिया रिसेशन में नहीं आई है, लेकिन वर्ल्ड बैंक बताता है कि because we have local consumers with 1.3 billion people, we have local consumers and we can come out of the recession because of the local consumptions, unlike America, Japan and other foreign countries like Germany, who are heavily dependent on exports. They have export driven economy to fuel their things. They are the one they will be hitting worst, and that is where the concern is. Third thing that we want to do is industry. Industry for the next 6 months to 1 year will have only one slogan: innovation at cost effective pricing. We want to innovate. Guys, if you look around, the challenges that we are facing can only be solved by cost effective way of thinking. The innovations, be it in the life science, be it in the economy, be it into the automobile, we need more cost effective solutions. Even if we have to get rid of some people, that's particularly fine for them, but they are in no way going to touch the cost effectiveness. We want more and more things at less and less. And the final thing is your own self. You are the one who will be responsible for working very hard. And I want to describe this into 3 simple ways. If you can work on these 3 simple things, you will have tremendous chance and improvement to get the best out of your life, especially in this situation. The first attribute that you have to develop is develop the super urgency, the sense of super urgency. Now you don't have to wait. Guys, we will die one day. We're not going to die today, but we will die one day. And that sense of urgency is very important. You have hundreds and thousands of desires. That's particularly fine. No problem about it. Now the chances is you have to discipline your desire. You have to take actions that will really bridge the gap between your urgency and market expectations. You have to keep a very close eyes about the happenings outside into the country. You have to have that sense of urgency. Discipline yourself, improve yourself, and get the things done. One thing that you all can do is you can revise your technical subjects and knowledge on an urgent basis. Keep revising it. So any day the interview comes, you should be very well prepared to do what is expected. That is simplest of the thing that you can do. The second thing you can do is improve the quality of your self-image. You have a very tough task ahead in front of you. So my suggestion is improve on the quality of work that you want to do. Improve on it, focus on it, and that will give you a lot of chance to improve yourself. Improve your self-image. Get immune to the external negativities, which will be there in plenty in coming days. Focus on improving your weaker points and try to develop a sense of specialization that you want to do. That is something that you can think of doing while you are into the lockdown period. Second thing that students should do is to develop the sense of flexibility. Guys, I want to start with a very small story. If you think that you want the job of that much package in one particular city, especially in this organization, and if you're very lucky, you will get it. But I must tell you, most of us won't be lucky. So the thing is, आपको जो मिले, जब मिले, जहां मिले, जैसा मिले, शुरू करो. जो मिले, जब मिले, जहां मिले, जैसा मिले, शुरू करो. The most important thing right now when the things are into the recession is if you can have a proper job experience. Don't worry too much about the remuneration and the CTC and the benefits. It will come once the economy bounces back. These assets of yours will be very well rewarded. So go for getting the right experience that you want to do it. Second thing you can do it, you have to keep on revisiting and revising your goals. Link them back to the current realities. Align them with what is happening all around you. You cannot afford to live today with yesterday's blueprint. You have to keep on changing your goals, trying to cope up with the current realities. Without that, you will be doomed for a failure. Third thing you can do in order to improve the chances of getting a good job during this time, that you have to commit yourself and for deep sense of excellence. There is no place for mediocrity. There is no place for people who are willing to do just ordinary effort. There is no place, especially if you are here to work with average intellect. You have to deep down into yourself. You have to master your craft. You have to raise your hands for at least one thing that you want to do. Without that, the chances are really high that you will not be entertained at all. Guys, imagine there are a lot of people who are in the market with 5-10 years of experience and they've been made redundant. You have to compete head on with them. If you cannot master your craft, if you cannot work with the syndrome that is going to help you, the chances are very high you won't be entertained. Do the meaningful things. Change is the name of the game. But when I say change, people change one thing with another. They're doing something very simple, illogical, irrelevant, non-value adding, and they change it with something simple, non-value adding, irrelevant. It's not going to help. You have to change to something very, very meaningful. Even if it is challenging, fine. Go for it. Go for the deep end of the things. That's where the success is. That's where the courage will come. That's where you generate the positivity and the motivation. In fact, the problem is your own mindset. Sometimes the roadblock is the only way moving forward. That is the only way you can go out and start focusing on the things, because the future is not what it used to be. It has changed, and it has changed significantly. So my suggestion is keep yourself positive, both mentally and physically. Keep improving yourself both technically and academically, and keep helping others both financially and morally. Tough time never lasts, but tough people do. And that's where the success for you will come. So with that, I stop here. I wish you all the very best. And this is the golden time. You have to get the best things out of it. Thank you. Have a nice day.